time to bake. Letters and treats for goodness sake. From A to Z, there's fun today at the magical bakery, hooray! A is for apple pie, piping hot and sweet. B is for banana bread, a cozy little treat. C is for cupcake with colors so bright. D is for donuts, a sugary delight. E is for eclairs, creamy and long. F is for fudge that melts with a song. G is for gingerbread dancing in a row. H is for honeycomb golden glow. Whisk and stir, mix it right. Letters and goodies day and night. From A to Z we bake with cheer at the Alphabet Bakery. We're glad you're here. I is for ice cream, cold and fun. J is for jelly rolls on the run. K is for Kit Kat, snap and crunch. L is for lemon tarts in a bunch. M is for muffins, soft and round. N is for nougat that makes a sound. O is for oatmeal cookies with spice. P is for pancakes, fluffy and nice. Whisk and stir, mix it right. Letters and goodies day and night. From A to Z we bake with cheer at the Alphabet Bakery. We're glad you're here. Q is for quiche with a cheesy swirl. R is for rainbow cake that makes us twirl. S is for shortbread, crumbly and neat. T is for toffee that sticks to your seat. U is for upside down cake with flair. V is for vanilla squares in the air. W is for waffles, warm and cold. X is for extra treats, we're bold. Y is for yummy pies stacked high. C is for zucchini bread, oh my! Mix it, bake it, A to Z. Tasty letters just for me at the magic